like last piece in terms of the one which is the showstopper piece. Yeah. Thank you. Nani get out. You don't try to stay the whole, try to do the whole setting. It's like, something is so these dresses, it's like, yeah. You should see the bounce. I think it's gonna come now, but I don't think it's gonna come. It's just base. It's got like some sort of, and it is just down also. It's like a, you know, whatever you do,
तेरे रिपोर्टर को बुलाना यार.
you know what happens is when you
Harsh, you can have a lot of clothes in my house.
touch, come. So even these are products and stuff. This is also my favorite you wear with this skirt. Oh my god! So it like simple. It's like just about cuts. Thank you. And lots of cuts, basic. So my strength as a brand, I mean, I love cuts and to me, everything. Even these dresses. There's like a dress like this also.
क्या मैम लुक ये मैं कैमरा
So it was a party wear collection basically, which I did for clients, you know, in terms of somebody who wants to attend the anniversary, birthday, red carpet, any function basically, things like that. Even teas like these. How are you doing?
अरे
Amira, Alien, the whole collection basically. I was staying in the house inspired by God's Garden, the whole collection for that. But lots of that, even things like
मायरा मैं
floating in my
You gotta stand up.
You got pictures?
वन मोर मैम हियर
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, all of you here, some ma'am. Please here. Some ma'am here.
Okay, so let's start from there to there. Okay? Let's do this like that.
Jay. Some ma'am here, all of you. Sir. Hi, beta. One more here, ma'am. Sir. Wait. All of you here. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I spoke to Harsh about it, and he said he's trying to recreate God's garden. And as you know, when you define God's garden, you can only call it beautiful and pure and basically serene. And I think that's what he's done with his clothes. Like I told him, I'm in love with that gown, and I'm gonna wear it for an award function soon. And even like the other, like the blacks and the golds, and I'm someone who likes all of these shiny things. So even that was really nice. And the fact that he incorporated some color into it as well. and these were all like really bright colors, from like a yellow to a pink to, you know, like a violet. And I think he actually has taken the concept of God's garden and beautifully recreated it with clothes. So yeah, well done.
Talk about color. So which is your favorite color?
Pink. Pink.
Did you find anything in pink here?
Yes, we did. We actually found this really, really cute gown in pink. So I'm going to steal that also.
Okay, may I know what's your upcoming project?
Mr. X is coming out on the 17th of April, and it's with Imran Hashmi, and he's basically back with the whole Bhat camp after about 2 years, I think. So, you know, we'll look out for that, and it's going to be big.
Okay, anything else you want to say?
Basically, just look out for Harsh. He's done an amazing job, and you'll see me wearing him very soon. Thank you.
पे लोग क्या पे
Here we are popular Razas. What did you see here?
Well, I am here mainly for Harsh. Harsh, as I know, is an absolutely fantastic designer. I've been wearing his clothes and I've been swearing by his clothes for the longest time possible. I'm here to support him. I'm here to tell him that we're all backing you and we're all really waiting to kind of get our hands on the clothes that he has kind of designed this year. And of course, he's put up a great show at the Beach Fashion Week. And as you can see, there's so many beautiful clothes out here. And I am quite sure I'm going to quietly take one and go.
So what kind of collection you are looking for here?
Well, if you see, there's everything out here that a girl would really like to wear. There's something that's there's not everything that's very, very tight fitting. Yeah, Harsh is known to make really fitted clothes. But what's really nice is that you even get to see some clothes that are a little loose. So it's not like you're struggling in the clothes either. It's easy, it's breezy, some of them are nice. And of course, when you want to look glamorous and nice, he also has the tight fitting, sexy numbers. So,
I've
yeah.
always seen you for giving a fashion tip. So what if you want to give a tip over here? What
Well, my fashion tip would be that it's very important for you to understand your body and to understand your body type. If something looks good on a skinny girl and if you do not belong to that body type, please don't just blindly go and pick up something that you think looked good on her, so will look good on you. You have to understand your body and dress accordingly.
here we have seen a many of color. So which is your favorite color you have seen here?
You know what? There are many blacks here, there are many golds here, but my eye is on the one red that is here. Can you see that red outfit there? That red outfit is what I want and I am going to take it. Yeah.
And may I know what's your upcoming project?
Well, right now, as you know, I'm a VJ on MTV. I am doing a lot of other projects for MTV itself. So at the moment, in fact, I've just come running from my shoot for this. I'm doing a show called LinkedIn MTV Get a Job. I'm doing that. Other than that, I also do a show on MTV called Colors of Youth. Apart from the stuff that I do on MTV, I host the IFA Awards every year. So hopefully you will see me there this year as well. And without a doubt, I also did the GMA Awards. So these are the things that I mostly do, and I really look forward to all of you watching it, tweeting me, and telling me how you like the stuff out there.
So when we can see you on screen?
On screen, well, I did do a film, Nautanki Sala, with Ayushmann, but post that, I'm guilty of not really paying attention to that side and only focusing on television. So, God willing, soon. वेल जाते जाते आपके लिए सिर्फ यही एक मैसेज है कि अपने बॉडी को समझिए ड्रेस वेल ड्रेस कॉन्फिडेंटली यू आर ब्यूटिफुल नो मैटर व्हाट पैकेजिंग यू कम इन एंड जस्ट बिलीव दैट यू कैन अचीव एवरीथिंग एंड दिस इज फॉर ऑल माय लवली फीमेल व्यूअर्स आउट देयर थैंक यू
Tell me.
Okay, हर्ष जैसे हम जानते हैं कि हीरे की परख एक जोड़ी को होती है, तो वैसे जानते हैं कि आपके इतने काफ़ी अच्छे कलेक्शन है, तो उसको लेकर क्या करेंगे?
हीरे की परख जोरी को होती है अच्छे कलेक्शंस तो मैं क्या कहूँ आई थिंक यू आर द जोरी बिकॉज आई थिंक यू आर सेइंग इट्स अच्छा कलेक्शन सो आई थिंक आई डू एज एन आर्टिस्ट मैं अपनी तरफ से बेस्ट देता हूँ एंड आफ्टर दैट इट्स पीपल हु एडमायर एंड डिसाइड कि अच्छा है कि बुरा है एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि everyone is liking it, everyone is enjoying it, appreciating it. So it's amazing, you know, कि इतने लोग, so many people are appreciating you. It's art, no, and we are artists. So for us, the food is appreciation, happiness. You know, it's very satisfying.
Have you always known for
Fitted clothes. No, I'm doing more also. I'm doing variations also. So it's not that you'll see a lot of variations. So things like so I'm doing a lot of variations now. So there are a lot more silhouettes introduced. But I always try to push my boundaries and come up with something very interesting and innovative. That's very important for me. Hi.
We have saw lots of collection over here. We can say home accessories. So what basically what's your favorite collection here?
I love, all these pieces which I've, put them here are like really, really special to me. I really enjoyed making them. I totally enjoyed making them. So it was fun doing the collections. It is a process. It's art. Ultimately, it's your profession. If you don't enjoy, then what's the whole point? So it's something that when you enjoy, you feel amazing. And all these muses, Amira, who's so pretty, Galen, Anusha, all these are amazing. I mean, when they come and they love you, you feel thankful. So I'm very happy that everybody could manage to come. It's amazing to be part of it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
बिल्कुल मैं एक्चुअली आई इसलिए हूँ थोड़े वक्त के लिए मैं सीधा शूट से आ रही हूँ तो आई काइंड ऑफ रैप्ड अप माई शूट क्विकली बिकॉज आई हैड टू कम एंड विश हिम और ये बर्थडे बहुत खास